Well, we're getting close to the end. Now we're going to create one more additional component, an extra sprite. It's going to be a cloud because things look a bit empty here. But this won't be just any cloud. This will be a cloud that moves with the help of another button. Or even better, let's invite a friend who will be responsible for moving the clouds. You know, it's like being on stage in a theater. Everyone is responsible for their own part. We've already got, as they say, a lot of buttons. There's the spacebar, the X key, and the C key. And we still need to move the cat left and right so that it can respond to the player's input and travel across the screen. Let's also make it so that the clouds move left and right as well, following the same direction as the cat. This will help the background feel more dynamic and make the scene look more interesting. But let's do it in a clever way. And I'll show you what it will look like. Let's find the cloud. You already know how to do this. Go to the Sprites tab. Find the cloud. It's somewhere near the bottom. Here it says Cloud. Click on it. Let's rename it to Cloud, in Russian Oblako. Cloud. Great, that looks nice. Let's place it right here, just like this, so it fits perfectly. And let's program it. For the event when a key is pressed, well, the cat talks about the white nose, so let's make it move up. The cloud is at the top, and our cloud will move by 10 steps. So let's see what happens. I press it, it moves, and then it goes off the edge, and that's it. Of course, we could make it so that when you press down, it moves to the left. But I wanted to show you how you can do it differently, in a more clever way. Let's pull out our little cloud. And here, in the Motion tab, there's also a block called Bounce Off the Edge. Let's see who can find it faster than me. I don't see it here. Here it is. If touching edge, bounce. What will happen now? Look, I press the up arrow, and our little cloud moves in an unusual way. It reaches the edge, flips over, and goes in the other direction. That's very interesting. But if you want to leave it like that, you can just leave it. And I'll also show you how to make it so it doesn't flip over. For that, there's a set rotation style block. Like this one. Left, right. Watch what happens now. We press the up arrow. It moves just like this, as you can see. Pretty cool, right? There are some small tabs here. Don't rotate. What will happen if we set it to don't rotate? It's interesting, isn't it? And if you set it to all around, then it's just like it was before. I think you've got the hang of this. I recommend you try it out, bounce off the edge and play around with the settings. It's not just with the clouds, but with the cat too. So our cat reaches the edge, turns around and goes in different directions. See what you come up with here. And see you in the next lesson. It'll be interesting.